Did you know that the machine meant to heal your joint could actually cause a painful skin injury if you miss one crucial step? Skipping proper skin protection during cold therapy can turn a smooth recovery into a major setback. Today, we're breaking down exactly why you need a skin barrier during your recovery so you can protect your skin while maximizing your healing. Now, let's dive right in. Motorized cold therapy systems are incredibly effective because they deliver continuous, deep penetrating colds. However, these pads get extremely cold. Applying a freezing therapy pad directly onto bare skin or fresh surgical incisions can lead to severe cold-induced injuries such as frostbite or cryo-burns. There is also another hidden risk: moisture accumulation. As the machine circulates ice water, condensation naturally forms on the surface of the pad. Constant moisture against a healing wound can cause skin maceration, which is when tissue softens and breaks down. This stalls your healing and increases the risk of secondary infections. To protect your skin without sacrificing your recovery, we highly recommend using a dedicated shield like the Omni Ice Non-Sterile Skin Barrier. This barrier is specifically engineered from a lightweight, breathable, non-woven material. It acts as a dependable shield that blocks extreme freezing temperatures and keeps moisture away from your skin. Crucially, it is thin enough to ensure optimal thermal transfer. This means the healing, therapeutic cold safety reaches your joint without endangering your skin integrity. Have you already picked up a skin barrier for your recovery machine? Or are you still setting up your post-op gear? Drop a comment below with your answers, your questions, or any videos you'd like to see next. Hospital-ordered accessories can cause post-operative costs to add up quickly. These Omni Ice barriers offer a highly economical alternative to expensive manufacturer-branded dressings, helping you manage out-of-pocket expenses safely. They are designed with integrated adhesive strips that are twice as strong as standard alternatives. This ensures the barrier stays perfectly aligned with your pad without bunching, sliding, or slipping down when you move. They come in tailored, custom-cut sizes, perfectly compatible with top systems, including the Breg Polar Care Cube, Glacier, and Kodiak pads, as well as the Donjoy Iceman. So why do you need a skin barrier? You need it to safeguard your skin, prevent frostbite, control moisture, and ensure a comfortable, interruption-free recovery. You can find these budget-friendly Omni Ice skin barriers tailored to your exact machine right now at mycoldtherapy.com. We hope this guide gives you the confidence you need to take the next step in your recovery. To ensure you're set up for success from start to finish, be sure to explore the rest of our video library for more expert tips and walkthroughs. If you're looking for the medical devices and products featured in our videos, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to browse our full collection. Got a question about today's topic or a suggestion for a future video? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey to better mobility. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.